today I got a very special surprise for you. For watching my all videos, I like you, so I bought a present, but it's a little insect. The channels that called Discovery channels, in those there are eggs, there are frogs like them there, and I'm going to show you my cat Reggie. Look, this is my pet Reggie. It's a frog, and we found him today. And they lay eggs in water, and they have very good legs, and there are dangerous ones and good ones. And now look, it's very but their hands, and look at their eyes. It's very beautiful. Let's keep him here because he don't like to hold like this. We don't hold frogs like that for a long time. Hey guys, if you want to catch a frog, it will be hard. And sometimes there will be legs. In the legs there will be frogs. So I have to wash my hands. Guys, don't wait a little bit, or when you finish touching a frog, it's very gloopy. You touch one this and this side, okay? Because that's only the way he can stay. And they are very funny, right? They put their tongue out and take it up, very scary. There are naughty ones. Let's see. Take a closer look. Don't let him go away. Oh yeah. Put the thing. Hey guys, now put the camera close. I will show you guys. Look at the closer. I can catch this frog again. Oh, this frog is a jumpy drop. Look, a close. Very funny. Again, look his neck. It's going. Now, look, his tummy goes back, and I'm again up. He is a bit dangerous. He got spikes here. Very comfortable. He can also stay anywhere. Now, let's keep him. It's hard him to stay again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no, yo! He runs away. Take him. Closer look. Gotcha. Let's say, I got a science period in my school, so there are lots of frogs in that school. Even they found frogs from the pond in the school. We found frogs. We pray frogs catching in the science because in the school pond there are lots of frogs. Let's keep him here. Look. Okay. Again the math period has to be okay. It's all science periods. Oh yes. He's jumping. He loves water. Whoa. Run away. Oh! No need to be scared of frogs. Whoa. You should quick him. Quick. Whoa. My heart is going to say. That's the first day I ever touched a frog before. And this frog is amazing. Our school has a science period. And there's an ant on your neck. We can give that ant for the frog. And frogs like eating incense. Yeah. We don't eat it, we eat rice and curry. These frogs are different now. They eat some animals, insects, like cockroaches, ants. They eat them, and it's like crazy frog. Bam, 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 bam. He is going. Now, every day it's a big loud. We can't sleep in the beds because there are lots of frogs in that paddy field. My father's paddy field. It's going. Every night we can't stay. It's going. We can't sleep. It's hard because this frog when they are in danger, there are lots of naughty animals there, and there are lots of snakes. So snakes eat frogs now. So when they are on danger, they have a danger call. Rabak, 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 rabak. They are danger calls. Okay, guys, you write your impressions now. It is very good, but it's a bit yucky, just like gloop. So, guys, if you want to catch a frog, just subscribe to my video, and if you want to watch more videos of my frog catching, subscribe, ring the bell, and you can find it on Facebook or in YouTube. So, bye guys, see you later in another nice day.